How to become a TikTok creator. Beginner-friendly setup, phone, lighting, and background. You want to stick around for that. Comment below, are you using a phone or a camera to start? All right, let's settle this. If you want to become a TikTok creator, you do not need a fancy camera, you do not need a studio, and you definitely don't need to be 19-year-old perfect hair. What you need is a simple setup that makes your videos look clean. Most beginners don't fail because they're boring, they fail because their videos look messy and poorly lit. So let's break this down, starting with the basics. Step 1, phone or camera. Start with your phone. If your phone is from the last 4 or 5 years, you're all set. The biggest upgrade isn't buying a $1,000 camera, it is this. You're gonna wanna stop filming handheld. Holding your phone makes your videos look shaky and less professional. You should get a tripod. I believe there's one in the TikTok. I've got one in my page here, or you can go to Amazon. And use your back camera whenever you can. The rear camera instantly makes your videos look more professional. Next, you'll need a teleprompter if you're gonna do that. You can find one for free on Google, but you'll also need a laptop or another phone, and I'll cover that in more detail in another video coming soon. Now let's talk about lighting. Now, lighting is the secret to better videos, not editing and no filters. Lighting really does matter a lot. And if your face is dark, people scroll. So here's what you do. You put a light in front of you. Good lighting makes your videos look polished, helps you stand out, and keeps viewers watching. A ring light works, a lamp works, a window works too. So let's move to your background. Just avoid standing under the ceiling light as it creates unflattering shadows. Step 3 is the background. Your background does matter. It doesn't have to be fancy, but it should look intentional. A simple, tidy background keeps the focus on you and your message. Use a clean wall, a bookshelf, a plant, a curtain. Just don't film laundry behind you, your Bessie bed, or anything like that. People might not mention it, but they'll scroll away. Hey, follow now to start leveling up your creator skill. Comment creator for your complete beginner setup checklist. Ready to edit. You see, with your space set up, the next step is to choosing the right editing program. You should start with CapCut. CapCut is the easiest editing app for TikTok creators. I also have one in my link tree if you want. You can cut mistakes, add captions, make your video look clean in a snap. And you don't want to overcomplicate the editing in the beginning. Consistency matters more than flashy edits. Regular, clear videos create better results, so focus on showing up. Here's the truth. Becoming a TikTok creator isn't about being perfect, it's about being clear. So start with your phone, start simple, and post before you feel ready. Because the creator who wins isn't the most talented. Remember, success comes from not quitting. Start simple, keep your videos clean, use good lighting, and post consistently. That's how you become a TikTok creator. And as always, this is Scott. Peace and progress.